Welcome, my dear friend David. Today we are exploring a topic that makes the heart beat a little faster and the world seem a little brighter. The beautiful, mysterious world of dating.
Oh, Emily, I have been waiting for this. It feels like such a poetic part of life, doesn't it? To find a connection with another person it is incredible.
It truly is. In English, when we talk about dating, we aren't just talking about going to dinner. We are talking about the journey of the heart. Can you imagine the courage it takes to open your soul to someone new?
I can, but Emily, I have always wondered, when we use the word date, it means a specific day on the calendar, too. Why do we use the same word for romance?
That is a wonderful observation, David. It is because a date is a special time set aside just for that person. You are giving them the gift of your time. Isn't that a lovely way to look at it?
It really is. It makes the word feel much more precious. But tell me, Emily, what is that famous feeling people describe? You know, the one in the stomach?
Oh, you mean the butterflies. When you are nervous and excited all at once, we say you have butterflies in your stomach. It's that fluttering, magical energy.
Yes, butterflies. I love that expression. I felt that way before our lesson today because I was so excited to learn.
That is the spirit. Now, on a first date, we often talk about breaking the ice. This means starting a conversation to make the other person feel comfortable and warm.
Breaking the ice. I see. So we use small talk to melt the coldness of being strangers? That is such a vivid image, Emily.
Exactly. And if the conversation is wonderful, we say two people hit it off. It means they connect instantly. Can you feel the spark when that happens? It's like electricity.
A spark. Oh, I can see it now. But what if your friends set you up? What do we call it when you meet someone you have never seen before?
That, my dear David, is a blind date. It is a mystery. It's like opening a present without knowing what's inside. It could be a disaster, or it could be your soulmate.
A blind date. That sounds so brave. I think I would need a wingman. Isn't that the word for a friend who helps you with romance?
You remembered. Yes, a wingman or a wingwoman. But remember, David, the most important thing in dating is to be yourself. Authenticity is the most beautiful language in the world.
Be yourself. That is very deep advice. Sometimes people are so afraid of rejection that they hide who they are.
You are so right. Rejection is just a fork in the road. It means that person wasn't the right fit for your beautiful story. It is not an end, it is a new beginning.
I love that. It makes me feel much more confident. So, after many dates, if everything is perfect, we might say we are falling in love?
Yes, you are falling. It's a total surrender to joy. And when you find that special person, we often call them the one.
The one. It sounds like a fairy tale. But in English, we also say to ask someone out, right? That's the very first step.
It is the most important step. It takes guts, which is a slang word for courage. To look someone in the eye and say, "Would you like to go out with me?" is a moment of pure bravery.
This conversation has been so enlightening, Emily. You make the language of love feel so reachable and exciting.
Because it is, David. Learning English is a lot like dating. You have to be brave, you have to practice, and you have to keep your heart open to new experiences.
Then I'm dating the English language, and I think I'm doing it quite well.
Oh, David, that is the best thing I have heard all day. You are a star student. Until next time, keep following your heart. Hello, my wonderful student, David. Welcome back to our cozy English corner. Today, we are exploring something truly magical.
Oh, Emily, I have been waiting for this all morning. I saw the topic on the board. Is it the topic of love?
Yes, but more specifically, dating. The beautiful, nervous, and incredibly exciting journey of finding a deep connection with another person.
Dating. Oh, that is such a powerful word. It feels like an adventure, but also a little bit scary. Can you help me understand the feeling of it?
Exactly. It is a roller coaster of emotions. Can you imagine that first moment when you meet someone and your heart goes thoop, thoop? It's like the whole world stops for a second.
Yes, I remember my very first date years ago. I was so nervous I could barely hold my glass of water. My hands were shaking.
Oh, David, that is so human. That is what we call having butterflies in your stomach. It is a sign that your heart is awake and alive. Isn't that just incredible?
Butterflies in my stomach. I love that image. It makes the nervousness sound like something beautiful. So, Emily, how do we describe that very first feeling when two people really, really like each other?
We say they hit it off. It means they connect instantly, like two pieces of a puzzle finally clicking together. It is a spark, a flash of light.
With wonder, they hit it off. It sounds so fast and energetic. But what if things go a little slower? What if you just have a crush on someone from far away?
Oh, a crush. That is such a sweet, tender word. It's like a secret garden in your heart where you keep beautiful thoughts of someone special, even if you haven't spoken yet.
I love that, a secret garden. But Emily, sometimes dating is difficult. What should we do if we feel too shy to speak?
David, that is a brilliant question. When you feel shy, you just need to break the ice. You ask a small, warm question, like, what is the best part of your day? Or what makes you smile?
Break the ice. To melt the cold silence with a warm question? That is a beautiful way to think about starting a conversation.
It really is. And remember, when you are on a date, the most important thing is to be yourself. You are a treasure, David, and the right person will see your light.
Deeply moved. Thank you, Emily. Your words make me feel so confident. I think dating is not just about finding the right person, but also about being brave enough to show who you really are.
Oh, can you imagine? That was the most beautiful thing I've heard today. You are learning so much more than just English. You are learning the language of the soul.
I am trying my best. I also heard a phrase recently, blind date. Is that when you can't see the other person?
Oh, not quite. A blind date is when a brave friend introduces you to someone you have never met before. It's a total surprise, like opening a gift without knowing what is inside. A surprise. That sounds so daring. It's like a leap into the unknown. It is. It takes a leap of faith, and that is the heart of dating, taking a chance on happiness, even if you are a little bit afraid. A leap of faith. I will remember that. This conversation makes me want to be more open to the world and the people in it. That makes my heart glow, David. Whether you are going steady with someone or just playing the field, always lead with kindness and a big open heart. With a bright smile. Lead with kindness. I will, Emily. This has been such a heartwarming lesson. I feel so motivated to use these words. You are an absolute star, David. Go out there, be brave, and let your light shine. I cannot wait for our next heart-to-heart conversation. Thank you, Emily. You are the best teacher. Goodbye for now.